Looking for precision in your craft? The best wood engraving machine delivers flawless detail, whether for DIY projects or professional work. Elevate your creativity with accuracy and efficiency today. Number 1. Longer engraving machine. For those seeking a high-performance engraving machine, the Longer Ray 5000 MW offers an impressive blend of speed, precision, and versatility. Powered by a 240 MHz ESP32 chipset, this laser engraver ensures rapid processing and energy efficiency, with speeds reaching up to 10,000 mm per minute. The multi-core architecture enhances its performance, making it suitable for professionals and hobbyists alike. Precision is a key highlight, as it features a 0.080.08 mm laser point size and an engraving accuracy of 0.01 mm. This ensures intricate detailing, whether engraving fine patterns or delicate designs. The spacious 400,400 mm working area accommodates various project sizes, making it a versatile choice for users working on different materials. Its flexibility extends to connectivity, supporting USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and app integration. Compatibility with software such as Laser GRBL and Lightburn further enhances its usability. Material compatibility is broad, as this machine can engrave stainless steel, wood, glass, acrylic, leather, and metal, backed by rigorous testing to ensure accuracy. With its user-friendly features, high precision, and safety measures, the Longer Ray 5000 MW stands out as a reliable engraving and cutting machine for diverse applications. Its advanced technology makes it suitable for both intricate artwork and industrial-grade projects, providing flexibility for various users. Number 2. FoxAlien Engraving Machine. The FoxAlien Masuta Pro engraving machine is a high-quality CNC router designed for precision and durability. Constructed from an all-aluminum frame, this machine ensures excellent stability. Unlike traditional models, the Z-axis incorporates a linear rail system instead of rods and a T8 lead screw, significantly improving accuracy and smoothness in operation. The design minimizes vibrations, ensuring high-precision results for intricate engravings and carvings. One of its standout features is its compatibility, as it comes with two spindle clamps, 52 mm and 65 mm, allowing users to customize their machine with different spindle sizes, including 60W and 300W spindles, or upgrade to 1.5 kW options. Additionally, the system supports 69 mm spindle clamps, which can be purchased separately, allowing greater customization. Assembly is streamlined, with many parts pre-assembled and wires pre-wired, enabling users to set it up within 10-15 minutes. A step-by-step assembly manual is included, making it easy for beginners and experienced users alike. The working area of 400 by 400 by 60 mm provides ample space for daily woodworking and engraving projects. Additionally, the machine supports an extension kit for those who require an even larger workspace. Its sturdy construction ensures a long lifespan, making it a great investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 3. xTool Engraving Machine. The xTool F1 is an industrial-grade engraving machine designed for users who require speed, precision, and versatility. With an engraving speed of up to 4,000 mm per second, it significantly enhances productivity, making it ideal for batch processing of metal business cards, jewelry, pet tags, and other intricate items. The dual laser system includes a 2W infrared laser for metals and a 10W diode laser for materials like wood and acrylic, allowing users to work with over 300 types of materials. The ability to work with a wide range of materials makes this engraver a highly versatile tool for businesses and hobbyists alike. This machine offers a unique feature, an enclosed design that prevents smoke leakage. Additionally, the enclosed design protects users from potential laser exposure, making it a safer option for professional and home use. Accuracy is another strength, thanks to the Ultra Galvo system, which delivers a motion accuracy of 0.00199 mm and high-definition resolution. This ensures that even the smallest details, such as hair in portrait engravings, are captured perfectly. The xTool F1 supports multiple software options, including Lightburn and XCS, and is compatible with phones, tablets, and computers. It also includes auto and manual focus modes for precise positioning. With its exceptional speed, precision, and beginner-friendly setup, the xTool F1 is an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists looking for a portable, high-performance engraving machine. Number 4. LaserPecker Engraving Machine. For those looking for a compact and portable engraving machine, the LaserPecker is a standout option. Weighing only 190 g, this palm-sized engraver operates via USB and is small enough to fit in a toolbox. Its lightweight design makes it an excellent choice for DIY workshops, craft markets, and on-the-go engraving projects. Despite its small size, this machine boasts impressive precision with a 0.15 mm laser, allowing for intricate wood engraving. It features safety enhancements such as a password lock and motion detection, offering 50% more safeguards than similar models. This ensures both precision and security while in use. It can cut materials such as felt, cardboard, and paper up to 0.5 mm in thickness. However, reflective, white, or transparent materials require additional preparation, such as marking the surface with black ink before engraving. Number 5. Usongshine Engraving Machine. The Usongshine TTS55P RO is an upgraded version of the TTS55, featuring a 5,500 mW laser power and enhanced cutting capabilities. One of the most notable upgrades includes the addition of a metal air-assisted nozzle and a red circular laser shield, allowing for better cutting efficiency and precision. The air-assisted system improves cooling and reduces burn marks, ensuring clean and precise engravings. Utilizing advanced LD plus FAC plus C lens compression spot technology, the laser module achieves a high level of engraving accuracy. The motherboard of the TTS55P RO is equipped with a 32-bit dual-core MCU, enabling faster processing speeds and an engraving speed of up to 10,000 mm per minute. The engraver supports online engraving via LaserGRBL or Lightburn software, and offline engraving using a TF card. Additionally, its built-in Wi-Fi module allows users to control the machine via a mobile app or a web-based interface, making it highly versatile and convenient for both beginners and experienced users. This engraver is capable of handling a wide variety of materials, including wood, plastic, paper, leather, bamboo, sponge paper, alumina, stainless steel, chevron board, acrylic, and glass. It can cut up to 5 mm plywood, 3 mm acrylic board, 3 mm carton, and 0.7 mm leather with precision. The 300 by 300 mm working area provides ample space for projects, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.